How to be a better boss. How to be a better supervisor. Let's get into it. I don't need to go into all the details as to why you should want to improve your management skills or why you should want to be a better boss. What I'm going to do is get right into 10 tips on what you should do as a boss and 10 things you should not do. Number 1, say good morning to your employees when you come in every day. It doesn't cost you anything to walk by someone, look them in the eye, and say good morning and do your best to remember their name. That can go a long way with acknowledging that your employees do exist. Number 2, get your hands dirty. If you see an employee struggling with some project or not meeting deadlines, find out why. And if all they need is a little help, there's nothing wrong with you as a manager getting in and saying, what can I do to help you meet your goal or to meet your deadline? Number 3, communicate with your employees. And when I say communicate with your employees, I mean listening to your employees when they come to you with an issue or a problem and not hiding behind an email. Verbally talk with your employees. Number 5, speak about accomplishments in a plural sense. We, our, us, team. These are words that can go a long way with your employees. Number 6, say thank you. Thank an employee for meeting an objective. Thank an employee for going above and beyond. Thank your employees for doing the necessary steps required to meet your company goal and objective. Number 7, understands what motivates your employees. Number 8, be a leader. And what I mean by that is to be that unbiased person who ensures that your company stays focused on its goals and objectives. Number 9, publicly reward good behavior. Number 10, do a regular walkabout. At my last position, I was pretty busy and had a separate office. I wanted to make sure employees knew I was accessible, so I would walk around the office at least once or twice a week, say hi to everyone, and listen to anyone who had issues and see if I could help resolve any problems. Number 1, don't gossip about employees to managers and other employees. Never discuss confidential matters with non-management employees. Don't set unrealistic goals for employees. That is going to set them up for failure and tension within your company. Please do not ask employees to do any activities that are considered illegal or unethical. Don't shut your office door. Be accessible to your employees. And please do not invade your employees' personal time. If your employee is on lunch break and there's something that they need to do, wait until they're finished with their lunch break. Don't ignore company policies, rules, or guidelines. Don't act like you know everything. Don't create a hostile situation at your company. And what I mean by that is to not threaten, argue, humiliate, or belittle employees or other managers. Don't take credit for someone else's work. And never play favorites. Playing favorites can potentially lead to hostile situations at work. This video marks the last recording for 2020. Thank you to everyone who continues to regularly support the channel by subscribing, watching videos, and leaving comments. If you know anyone who might find the information useful, click the share button. Videos can be shared directly to a number of social media platforms or copy the link and send it via email or text message. Now, you can support the channel in other ways. Consider becoming a channel member for as low as $3.99 a month. Participate in various YouTube surveys. Click that applause button, where there are now 4 levels of applause. Watch the ads. You can also support me on Patreon. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and I'll see you January 1st. If you want to know more about business operations, business management, human resources, and other topics related to running a business, click on one of those play links. Click on one of these Click on the playlist.
One eternity later.
Click on one of these playlists. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.